Alright, doing a quick video on the Drieaz machines that we're using. This is the LGR 6000 Li dehumidifier, and then we're using the Velo Pro fans over here. Affected area was right over there, and right now this dehu is pumping out 120.3 degrees air. It's hot air blowing into the containment, and the intake is 98, output is 120, and the GPP is 48. I'm going to be purging this because I'm getting ready to take down all of the machines. These guys are really nice because you could set them up in all different ways. Let me turn this guy off, unplug it, and then show you the different ways that you can stand this fan. So you could stand it up like that, and then you could even stand it to blow straight up into the ceiling. And if you're pressed for space, you could put it up on the wall, and then it gives you all of that space to be around. Yeah, so very nice job over here with these guys. And then I'm also using an air scrubber. This is by Blue Dry. This is the Air Shield 550. So with all these fans, dehumidifier and air scrubber working in conjunction, it's a job well done.